as you can see, this gets a little snippet. Now I promise y'all I would start doing little reviews. I ate this place at work. I said I ate this place, this food. Yeah, this place right here, next to Harry Sings and Marla's, he got it. And I was asking him, I said, you know, where's your folks from? And he basically said the Bahamas. Hey, dude got it. So this is what we gonna try. He gave me some extra stuff. Now this right here, I don't take food from home. I mean from work really like that. I just eat it there or whatever like that. But man, his stuff was so damn good. And I done ate some of it, so y'all gotta, you know, don't mind the, you know, the slaw. It's like some kind of apple slaw. Man, it's so damn good, man. So I told you I want to start reviewing mostly more than anything, majority, like 98% or so black-owned businesses. You know what I'm saying? I did that sandwich on my... So we gonna try this curry. I taste the cinnamon. This is curry chicken. I taste the curry. It's fire. I warmed up some of these plantains, and he had this sauce that was super good. I'm gonna post a picture of that sauce. Now he didn't make that sauce, but he told me about it. Plantain is good. Did a little bit of this rice. Oh man, the rice with the carrots. Now I had the beef. I don't eat pork, but I had the beef. So he put some kind of apple into his slaw, some kind of apple, and I think it's mangoes. And I don't really like coleslaw like that. But this right here, man, he puts like a pepper and some kind of apple in his coleslaw. I'm not a mayo person, but it balances everything, especially when you have the spice. You got a touch of the sweet. I'm telling y'all. And he said he's gonna be on DoorDash soon. This rivals some of our other Jamaican spots. I'm not gonna lie. It rivals it. Because I asked him, is this authentic? And he said, oh, it's savory. When I sat down and ate it, I was just like, yeah, this is it. This is it. He got it. He got it.